Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a ChicMe Try On Haul / review. I did order these clothes. It took about a month for them to get to me. And I am a mature woman, meaning I am 45 years old. So I was very curious to see if these clothes were, number one, of good quality, which I kind of knew they probably wouldn't be. So I was very curious about the ChicMe website because the clothes are very cute. So I wanted to see if they would be a good fit for someone like me, a mature woman. But I feel like if you can fit it and it looks good on you and you're comfortable with it, you can wear whatever you want to wear. But I just wanted to give it a try to see if it was good for a mature woman. And I have about 5 pieces I'm going to try on for you guys. So if you're interested in my ChicMe review, to see if these clothes are, number one, good quality, number two, they are true to size, and number three, good for someone who is over 40. Stay tuned and keep watching. So the first outfit I got, y'all, is this outfit right here. It kind of looks like a clown suit. I'm gonna close it. I was like, oh, this kind of look like a clown suit, but on the website it was really cute. It was really cute on the model, and of course they always look really cute on the model. And then when you put it on, you're like, sis, that is not it. That is not me. But I have gained some weight, a few pounds I'm working on. I've been working out. Yeah, I let the pandemic get to me. But anyway, I'm working on that. But I'm going to try these on and show you guys how they look. This is the first outfit. I got all the sizes in large, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to go in, try it on, and I'll be right back. So this is the first outfit, y'all, and it is in a large. It's a little bit too small. I am too fat for it. Now, I'm a little bit too big for this. I think it's very tight in here. The material is very thin and flimsy. It's almost like sweatsuit or windbreaker type material. You can hear that noise. It's just not me. It really is too small, too tight. I don't think it'll be age appropriate for someone over 40. I mean, you could wear it. I do like it. Like if I was slimmer, I would definitely go for it. But of course I'm not. But I'm on my way there. I'm getting there. But yeah, it's really tight. And the material is just not that great. But for someone who's slim, maybe in college, like 20 years ago when I was very skinny, this would probably work. But you know what? I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm gonna slim down, and we're gonna have a redo. But we're gonna work through this video as is so you can see how it really is. You could probably pair this with some really cute sandals. I'm just trying to step all the way back so you can see the entire outfit. The top is really cute. I might put this top on with some white jeans, but it's really cute. But yeah, this outfit, I'm gonna rate it as a, you know what, I can't really give it a bad rating because if somebody had a body, like a good body, this probably would be really cute. But it's just, the material is just not that great. But for me right now, as is, I would probably have to rate this a 3, and that's just because it is tight in between here. The material is very thin, and the shirt kind of could be a little bit, I think, a little bit more forgiving here, and the pants could be a little bit more forgiving. It is a little bit of stretch, but not much. But yeah, overall, I give it a 3. So this is the next outfit, guys, and I really like this outfit. It's pretty cute. It is true to size. It fits me very well. It is a large, and I really like this top with the puff sleeves here. And you can pair this top with some white jeans or some white capri pants or some white shorts. It would be really cute. The bottoms I like as well. They're like joggers, which I love. I love wearing joggers. They're so comfortable. Now, where I would wear it to, I have no idea. I think just running errands would be a great start, but it's really cute. I think it fits very well. It's not too tight. I have room here. It has pockets, which I like. You can put your pockets in here. They're pretty deep too. Fits well on the bottom. It's cute. The material is good. It's thick. It's surprisingly thicker than the other material of that first outfit, but it's really cute. I like it. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna look in the mirror over here. It's just very comfortable too. It looks comfortable and it feels comfortable, because you know, on the website I'm looking at these different outfits and I'm like, oh, that's cute. The models make them look bomb. That's the whole idea, right? And in my mind, I think I'm just as fine as the model. And you know, so sometimes you get some good matches and then sometimes you don't. But I like this one. Overall, I think this was a good pick. I'm gonna wear it and I'll take some pictures in it for you guys. So overall, I would give this on a scale of 1 to 5. 5 being great, 1 being not so great. I would probably give this, a 4-star, because it is very, very nice. And I'm gonna step back one more time so you can see the entire outfit. And you can probably pair this with some nice white sneakers or some nice little heels. So here's the next outfit, and it's too small. This outfit is it's for somebody really, really slim with no hips. This is so tight, I'm about to bust out of this any moment. And I will throw out a disclaimer. I am on vacation, so if you see my bra straps, because this is one of the bras I have, but I don't have like a strapless one or pasties or anything, because I really wasn't trying to wear anything like that on this trip. But this is the next outfit, and it's really, really cute. It looked really good on the model. It's kind of long. It's really tight. It is a large. It's for somebody who has small hips and small boobs, and that's not me. But I do have a trip planned in July for Miami, so I'm going to do this video again to see how much weight I lost and to see how much better these clothes actually fit. So stay tuned for that. And if you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. And this is the third outfit. Like I said, it's really, really tight, but it's cute. It really is cute. It's just, I'm too big for it. But like I said, I'm losing weight. I really like this outfit. If I was thinner, I think it would look a lot better. But again, the material is very flimsy. If I bend over too much, I would probably split these pants in two. The top is very flimsy as well. So if I had to give this outfit an overall rating, it would probably get a 3, maybe even a 2, because it's really, really flimsy. The material is just not that great. But like if you're a college student, ChicMe is definitely a great option for you, because these clothes are cute. You're probably gonna wear them a couple of times anyway, and this stuff is not expensive. But I'll leave a link in the description of all the items that I'm trying on in the description box. But like I said, we'll give this one a 3.5. Let's just go with a solid 3. A great summertime outfit, guys. Great summertime outfit. This is the fourth outfit and I love it. It's probably my favorite one. It does have a lot of stretch, a lot of give. The material is a lot thicker, which I like. And it is a romper, my favorite thing to wear ever, because it's just one thing. You just put it on, find some nice accessories, and you're done. So I'll probably pair this with some nice little heels or some flats, some nice flat sandals. Yeah, but I really like this. It's really, really nice. Nice little romper, jumper. And I love it. It is so comfortable too. It fits. This one is true to size. I like it. Now I can't stand to lose some pounds. We already established that, so we working on it because the little belly is there. I've been enjoying too much of the riches of food, but yeah, I really like this one. Now, as a woman, a mature woman, I think this is very appropriate. Just as long as you have on the right type of clothes, the right type of undergarments and everything, I think it'll work. So I would rate this an overall. Let me just move up closer so you guys can see. And I would probably rate this overall a 4.5. And the only reason why I wouldn't give it 5 stars is because it's just kind of a little, like could have made it come up just a little bit more to kind of cover the breast area a little bit more. But these clothes are designed to be sexy, so. Got pockets, which are always a plus. So overall, I'm going to rate this a 4.5. So this is the 5th and final outfit, and it is definitely really, really cute. Let me step back so you can see it. It's a yellow dress, as if you can see the cover. But it's very pretty, flowy, sexy, all of the above. And this dress is a large. It's true. It fits true to form. Material is okay. I mean, it's decent. And I like this. This is the only outfit that kind of fits me. It's a little big through here, but it's very, very pretty. I like it. I'm definitely gonna wear this sometime soon, and I'll take pictures in it. And I would rate this outfit also a 4 because it fits. It's very nice. You probably have to wear you a strapless bra with, or some pasties. But it's very pretty. It's like a halter type style. Cute with some nice heels, you know, sandal heels. Wear some cute sandals. This is definitely giving me beach vibes. I'm definitely taking it to Miami with me. And this is, again, like I said, the 5th and final outfit. I will give it a 5. And let me just talk a little bit about my overall sense of ChicMe, the website. Overall, I would say that this website is not really good if you are of the mature status for ordering clothes. Like, the clothes, they fit okay. I mean, I'm not gonna totally just rule it out, but for me, you know, 2 out of the 5 items fit well. I mean, like, I could rock them. Good choices. And then the navy blue, or not navy blue, but the baby blue outfit, the sailor anchor outfit was really cute. But overall, I would rate the clothes, probably I would give it a 3 overall. The shipping, it takes a long time. It is coming from China, so it took about a month. And I do have some other pieces that I purchased that are just totally too small. So, but they were too small. But again, work in progress. We all are work in progress. And that's the whole vibe I want you to get from this video is no one's perfect. My body's not perfect. I'm 45 years old. I've gained weight, trying to lose weight. I struggle hormones. I mean, I have a huge fibroid I'm trying to reduce naturally. It's just a lot of things I'm working on right now, and it's just one day at a time. And you know, you just have to find things that work for you. And I'm just trying to share information that I think would be useful. And this is definitely great for a college student or someone who's very thin. I think this will be a great choice for you, and it's very affordable. So if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel where you'll find more videos on health and wellness and lifestyle, beauty. Also, I'm a registered nurse, so I'll share some clinical content as well. So again, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned to Prescription Nurse. Now that's your daily dose.